Hi, today we're going to talk to you about the eCollar Technologies 400 series. This is a wonderful e-collar that is simple to use. It can communicate with your dog at a 3/4 mile range. It has a flashlight for at night. It also is waterproof. Let's talk about the contents of the package real quick. The unit has rechargeable batteries. It comes with a cord that plugs into any normal wall socket. I want to share with you a few of the features that are on here so you get familiar with the unit. This is the antenna, and having it out of your pocket and not pointing to the ground will really help you use this unit a lot better. On the back is where we have the on and off switch, also with light, and when we press and hold, it turns the unit on or off. So now I have it off. I'm going to press and hold in the back. The blue light comes on, and you probably saw that red light. That indicates you'll be getting a green flash when it's on, plus you'll see the blue light, but that turns off after it just sits for a while. But if that starts flashing yellow or orange, means you need to charge your unit. On the side here, the T stands for vibrate, or you can switch it to tone, which is a sound. On the other side, we have two S's. That stands for your stimulus. And the reason there's two different ones, that will be in another video on when you use the different S's for stimulus, indicates how you have the setting on the front, whether it's in continuous mode, momentary mode, or momentary and continuous. What does that mean? On the back, there's a little button that says MC. That stands for momentary communication, which would be just one little flick, or C for continuous. Continuous, though, however, is only 10 seconds. So when I press that button, watch on here how it changes to MC. Press it again, it's M. Press it again, it's C. So if I had it on MC, that will stand for something different, and this is all going to be in another video. But this is important to know whether you're in C or MC or just M. A lot of people, that's where sometimes they'll mess up in some of their training. This button right here is not really a button, it's a knob that turns your level of stimulus. Goes from 0 up to 100, goes up to 99 in numbers, but you'll see 100. On the back, where you plug in your power cord, just that little flap plugs right in there gently. Push it down and hold it to keep moisture out, so if you're out working on a rainy day. The L, the on and off L, remember, is your on and off to turn this unit only, on or off, but then when we press it once, when we have the dog collar on, it will activate the flashlight. Let's talk about the collar. In order to turn the collar on, there's also this little teeny tiny red button on your remote. Take that button, cross it in front of that red button, you'll now see the green light flashing. To turn it off, red button to red button, it turns it off, no more flashing. This is important to remember and check that your unit is on or off before you put it on your dog. So I like to turn it on, look for the green flash. Then I also even like to hit the back here once. Watch what happens. We'll have the flashing flashlight. Hit the button on the back here again. I get a solid flashlight. Hit it again, it turns it off. So once turns flashing flashlight to find your dog at night. Solid flashlight, hit it again. Hit it again, it turns the flashlight off. And that's important to not leave that on all the time when it's on your dog. So to turn this unit off, the two red dots. If this was flashing a yellow or amber, we need to get it back to have it charged. Again, this unit is waterproof. You have your contact points. Here's where we just open this up, and this is important that when you plug in, very simple, push that in there. Plug it into the wall and it'll start charging. When you take this out, make sure you press this down. See how flat that is now? Make sure it's flat. If that's open, water can get in there. But it's really e-collar Technologies makes it simple to replace and fix things. So these contact points, they come in different sizes. There's some extra that come in this unit. You can also test to make sure your unit is operating by using this wonderful tool. This switches out contact points if you want different contact points. This lets you know whether the unit is on or off. It's an electrical almost tool that will light up. Let's turn it on. You might not be able to see this in the video, but if you put it on there, it will show a light, but since it's daylight, it's not showing you right now. But that lets you know that the unit is working properly when you hit a button. So that's vibrate. You probably just heard that. See, the red light comes on and you can hear the noise. Also, when you hit stimulus to make sure your stimulus is working, if I had it at 9, again, it's on momentary. It's only going to flash one red. Can you see the light in there that I'm checking my collar? That little teeny flash lets me know my collar is balanced and working fine. That's just a little brief of what comes in the box of the Educator 400 by e-collar Technologies. Fabulous, easy to use. That might have sounded a little complicating, but in my other videos, you'll see the operation is quite simple.